In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide columns in Google Sheets. Hiding columns is a handy way to simplify your view. Focus on just the data you need, or prepare a cleaner screenshot or printout without deleting anything. Your information stays put, your formulas keep working, and you can bring the columns back anytime. First, let's hide a column. Click the letter at the very top of the column you want to hide. That header letter is your target, not the cells inside the column. If you want to hide more than one, you have two options. To pick non-adjacent columns, hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on a Mac, and click each column letter you want. To grab a range, click one column letter. Then click and drag across the header letters until they're all highlighted. Once your selection is set, right-click directly on any of the selected column letters. In the menu that appears, choose Hide Column. If you selected multiple, they'll all hide at once. The hidden columns will disappear from view, and you'll notice two small arrows pointing toward each other appear in the header area between the remaining columns. That's your visual cue that something is hidden there. Don't worry, references, charts, and filters that rely on those columns will continue to function. Now let's bring the columns back. There are two simple ways to unhide them, and both lead to the same result, so use whichever feels faster for you. The first is the arrow method. Look along the header row for the spot where the column was hidden. You'll see those two small arrows pointing inward between the surrounding column letters. Click either arrow, and the hidden column or columns will reappear instantly in their original position. The second is the right-click method, which is helpful if you can't spot the arrows right away. Highlight the columns on both sides of where the hidden one sits. For example, if column B is hidden, click the A header and the C header so they're both selected. Then right-click on the selected letters and choose Unhide Columns. The hidden column will slide back into view between them. If you ever hide the wrong column, press Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z to undo. If the arrows are hard to see, try zooming in a bit. And remember, hidden columns are included in calculations and filters, but they won't appear in prints or exports unless you unhide them first. That's all there is to it. Quick, reversible, and great for keeping your sheet tidy while you